Hey everyone, welcome back to Nexajolt Crafters. Today, I'm excited to bring you another weekend showcase product review. Over the years, Max and James have consistently launched their products on weekends, and I've had great experiences with their offerings. So, I'm here to share my insights on their latest release, Anonymous AI. I've already gone through the entire training, and let me tell you, it's legit and incredibly helpful. I'm excited to introduce another fantastic product by Max and James. If you've been following their launches, you know they usually drop on weekends. This product focuses on leveraging AI for video creation and traffic generation, particularly in the realm of faceless YouTube and TikTok. Max and James have a solid track record on Warrior Plus, and this latest offering dives deep into TikTok strategies, including affiliate marketing and leveraging the TikTok shop. Having personally gone through the training, I can vouch for its legitimacy and value. The course covers everything from setting up your TikTok account to advanced monetization strategies. Plus, they've got a neat hack to bypass the 5,000 follower requirement for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now, while the sales page might hype things up, the content is solid. But remember, buying the product isn't enough. You need to take action on what you learn. To sweeten the deal, I've teamed up with Max to offer exclusive bonuses. When you purchase Anonymous AI through my link, you'll get access to TikTok Revolution and TikTok Revolution Intermediate, both packed with valuable insights to supercharge your TikTok game. Max also recommended a couple worth considering, particularly the reseller rights for Anonymous AI and the Expert AI Tool Bundle. So, if you're serious about building a successful online business in 2024, leveraging TikTok as a powerful tool, then this could be your ticket. Remember, success requires action, so commit to implementing what you learn. Alright folks, that wraps up my review of Anonymous AI. If you're struggling to make money online and looking for an easy business model that leverages AI for video creation and traffic generation, this is definitely worth your attention. Remember, taking action is key. Don't let these resources sit idle on your computer. And hey, if you're ready to dive in and make 2024 your breakthrough year, check out the link in the description below to grab Anonymous AI along with some awesome bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.